News Hurricane Headquarters, sponsored by Entergy.
12 News is your hurricane headquarters. Homeowners in Hardin County are no stranger to flooding, but solutions may be on the horizon. The county approved a drainage study hoping to decrease flooding in the Mill and Boggy Creek area. 12 News reporter Daniela Tabata-Palau spoke to the county judge who explains the process and how it could help residents.
Caledra Hardin County Judge McDaniel spoke to me this morning about a drainage study that the judge hopes decreases houses from flooding by 50%.
And it still gets hairy every time a good rain comes. You know, we watch the creek, and all the neighbors out here that live, alongside the creek are always, sharing, when it's getting high and when we need to start being concerned.
Hardin County, an area prone to flooding, is getting good news with the arrival of a newly approved drainage study for Mill and Boggy Creek.
And these studies will be to conduct a comprehensive drainage study of both of these waterways to determine what drainage improvements need to be made.
Hardin County Judge Wayne McDaniel says this project is necessary to reduce flooding, but it will still take time to see its effects.
I would say at least 3 years before any construction is started, but 5 years before any real work is completed to get the drainage improved.
For some residents living near Boggy Creek, this is great news, especially after Harvey.
It would be a great comfort knowing that, we don't have to worry as much about it, because everybody else out here has PTSD that lived through it. So it's hard not to.
However, some residents who got hit severely by Harvey don't believe the study's timeline will help those who need it now.
Not going to help much in 5 years.
The studies might have a long way to go, but McDaniel has a goal in mind that he wants to execute by the 5-year mark.
My goal is to get it to zero, but if we can cut it by at least 50%, that's a lot of progress, and we'll keep chipping away till we get it to zero.
The judge hopes the studies will move forward starting mid-July. In studio, Danielle Tabata-Palau, 12 News.